Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 2nd of December 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Barton County Commission in Kansas came short of approving an outright ban on commercial wind turbines in Barton County. However, resolutions approved Tuesday make them virtually impossible to build. Meanwhile, large and small non-commercial wind projects will still be allowed. Environmental Manager Judy Gorham presented 3 resolutions regarding wind energy conservation systems and the Barton County zoning regulations and maps. These were recommended by the Planning Commission. All 3 were eventually approved 5-0 as presented. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy of the Government of India has issued an important amendment to the Standard Operating Procedure for Wind Energy Equipment. The official memorandum changes a key requirement that applies to the approved list of models and manufacturers for wind turbines and their components. This update affects the process of evaluating wind turbine performance, especially the rules that involve prototype testing in India. This new change modifies Clause 8.1, which deals with performance efficiency and safety issues related to wind energy systems. Refex Industries has announced a significant milestone for its wind turbine manufacturing business. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has included the company in its approved list of models and manufacturers for wind turbines. This marks a notable advancement in the company's renewable energy manufacturing capabilities and allows them to move forward with the development of a 5.3 megawatt wind turbine with a 182-meter rotor. With a projected investment of $900 million between 2022 and 2026, GENNEIA is consolidating its leadership in renewable energy project development in Argentina. The plan includes the expansion of wind and solar parks across different regions. This comes at a time when the private market is regaining momentum and utility-scale electricity supply is being reshaped. Today, the company operates more than 1.4 gigawatts of installed capacity that combines solar PV and wind power across 13 parks located in the provinces of Buenos Aires, San Juan, and Mendoza. A $3 million grant from the California Energy Commission was up for discussion as Port San Luis Harbor commissioners weighed whether to accept funding for the next phase of offshore wind planning and outreach in Avila Beach. For now, they've decided to wait. The grant would fund a feasibility study to evaluate a design for an offshore wind operations and maintenance terminal. But commissioners voted to postpone accepting the grant, noting that 2 other studies of the same project are still underway. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.